Carprofen tablets are a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, commonly prescribed for the relief of pain and inflammation associated with osteoarthritis and other musculoskeletal conditions in dogs. The active substance in carprofen tablets is carprofen. Indications: Carprofen tablets are indicated for the relief of pain and inflammation associated with osteoarthritis and other musculoskeletal conditions in dogs. They may also be prescribed for the treatment of postoperative pain following surgical procedures. How to use: Carprofen tablets are for administration only and should be given as directed by a veterinarian. The recommended dosage of carprofen tablets for dogs is typically 2 mg per pound of body weight once daily, or divided into 2 doses given 12 hours apart. Tablets may be administered directly by mouth or crushed and mixed with a small amount of food to aid in administration. It is important to administer carprofen tablets with food to help reduce the risk of gastrointestinal upset. Contraindications: Carprofen tablets should not be used in dogs with a known hypersensitivity to carprofen or other NSAIDs. They should also be avoided in dogs with a history of gastrointestinal ulcers, bleeding disorders, or liver or kidney dysfunction. Use caution when administering carprofen tablets to pregnant or lactation dogs. Precautions: Always follow the dosage instructions provided by a veterinarian. Monitor your dogs for any signs of adverse reactions, including vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, or changes in appetite or behavior. Do not administer carprofen tablets to cats or other animals unless specifically prescribed by a veterinarian. Keep carprofen tablets out of reach of children and pets. Store carprofen tablets at room temperature, away from moisture and heat. Side effects: While carprofen tablets are generally well tolerated, some dogs may experience side effects, including gastrointestinal upset, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, changes in liver or kidney function. Allergic reactions rare. If any side effects occur or persist, discontinue use of carprofen tablets and consult your veterinarian promptly.